In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Windows 11 without TPM 2.0 or Secure Boot. As we dive into this process, rest assured that I've got you covered every step of the way. Whether you're updating your existing system or starting afresh, by the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the tools and confidence to set up Windows 11 on your machine. Now let's get started. First things first, you'll need to download the Windows 11 ISO. Head over to Microsoft's official website to get the ISO file. This is essentially a complete snapshot of the Windows operating system, and it'll serve as the foundational centerpiece for your installation. Once you've downloaded the ISO, save it somewhere convenient on your computer where you can easily find it later. Organizing your workspace now can save headaches down the line. Next, we'll prepare the Rufus software, which will help us create a bootable USB drive. Begin by downloading the latest version of Rufus from its official website. Once downloaded, run the rufus.exe file. If a window pops up asking for administrator access, go ahead and click Yes. This step is crucial as administrative privileges are required to make changes to your USB drive. Speaking of USB drives, make sure you have one that is 8 GB or larger handy. Connect it to your computer, but before proceeding, ensure you back up any important data from this USB, as the formatting process will erase everything currently on it. Losing important files would be a setback, so a quick backup will prevent any unwanted surprises later. Once your USB drive is safely connected, Rufus will ask you to select a device. From the drop-down menu under Device, choose your USB flash drive. This is how Rufus knows where to direct the installation files and create your bootable drive. Now let's specify the ISO we downloaded earlier. In Rufus, you'll click the Select button, which will open a File Explorer window. Navigate to where you saved the Windows 11 and open it. This action tells Rufus to prepare the USB drive using the contents of the ISO. With the ISO selected, you'll need to configure some settings in Rufus. These configurations are essential for a successful installation. Begin by ensuring your device field reflects your connected USB drive. For boot selection, the Windows 11 ISO should be displayed. Set the image option to standard Windows installation. If you have a newer system that supports UEFI, choose the GPT partition scheme. This is generally recommended for modern UEFI-based PCs. For the target system, select UEFI, non-CSM, and leave the file system as NTFS and cluster size at default. If you're working with an older legacy BIOS system, you'll need to adjust the partition scheme from GPT to MBR. This is because legacy BIOS systems require a different disk format to boot properly, and that's it. You've successfully set up Rufus to install Windows 11 without TPM 2.0 or Secure Boot. Once this is configured, just click Start to begin the process. Follow any on-screen prompts, and soon you'll be on your way to experiencing Windows 11 on your own terms. Thank you for watching this guide, and happy installing.